built the first birdhouse. Only 47 more to go on the birdhouse project.
The 50 house project for the Habitat Oasis. Good job, guys. Hey, welcome back to Hardy Brothers Outdoors. Josh Hardy here. Today I have got the WoodMizer out, the John Deere 2032R, and we are about to mill our first pine log on the LT35. So we got the mill last year. We have not had as much use with it as I would have liked to. We just have a lot going on, and just having the weekends to work is challenging. So beautiful day out. Jason's off doing some work on the Habitat Oasis. He'll be back later. But today we're going to start milling for the 50 house project. And I got to finish getting the mill set up here. It's been a while, so hopefully it'll turn over real easy and we'll get things rolling. Milling pine today, which is my first time, and so I'm going to use a mixture of mostly water, but some pine sol and some Dawn liquid dish soap. Try to help keep the sap from building up on the, or as they call it, pitch, from building up on the blade. We'll see how that goes. I was also having some starting problems a while back, so hopefully we got everything tuned up and ready to go. We'll see how it goes here. And I've got to use some hydraulic fluid to lubricate all of the parts, the chains, and the some of the areas that slide on the rail to make sure that we don't have any hang-ups today. That's a rough start. We'll see what we get here. Let it warm up for a while. Okay, so been a while since I've milled, and I feel like I got a lot of waste there, so I'll probably try to cut some of those flitches back down. There might be a few boards we can get out of there. Based on the fact that we're doing birdhouses, you know, things don't need to be exact. But I just measured the cant, and we have about 9, I think it was 9 or 8 3/4 by 10. I'll have to measure it again, I already forgot. Cant ought to make some nice boards. Definitely no problem for birdhouses. Let's keep at it. Okay, so mill and pine for the 50 house project. Some stuff that went well and not so well. Had some wavy cuts, and I think what happened was I kept forgetting to turn on my water. And as I mentioned earlier, I was running Pine Sol water and Dawn dish soap to help break down the pitch and the sap, and I didn't do that, and I saw some buildup, and I think that was causing me to dive around a knot. But I got a good bit of wood. I got some 12-inch wide boards, some 10-inch, a number of 8s and 5.5s. So again, this is going to be for birdhouses, so a rough cut is fine. We may be, you know, scrapping together some stuff that looks a little ugly that we wouldn't use other places, but it's going to be great for the birds. Had another issue today that I've never dealt with before, but it was a simple fix. I just didn't have the tools with me, so I had to run home, come back, which is just up the road. One of the hydraulics wasn't engaging, and it literally was a 3mm hex head on a set screw, and until I get it adjusted and then tighten it back down. So luckily it was easy, figured it out, had the manual, read the manual. It's apparently a common issue to come out of sync. So we got only got two good sized pine logs cut up today, and the other lesson learned today is, you know, I had a couple of these that had big crooks in them or whatever. I mean, they weren't straight, and we lost a lot of log dealing with that. So mainly just me today. Jason stopped by, but had to go on to do some other stuff. So 50 house project underway. We got trees skidded, we got trees milled. We're gonna let them sit here and dry for a week or two, and then we're gonna get to building. So I have a feeling that from what I've got right here, we can probably get at least, I don't know, probably 20 to 25 more houses out of what we have here. So we'll see how it goes. And hit that like and subscribe if you enjoy our content. Hit that bell notification so you know when more videos are coming out. And we'll keep you updated on the 50 house project. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.